welcome back. Spring is in the air, which inspired me to share this beautiful braided ponytail. This look is quick, it's simple, it's perfect for the upcoming wedding season, the warmer weather, or to just switch up your everyday look. All right, get your elastics ready and let's get started. Now, if your hair is freshly washed or on the finer side, you can add some dry shampoo to give it some more grip. Work it in and then smooth back the hair at your crown. Now, begin by sectioning off your face framing pieces on both sides, and then start on the left, and you want to gather all of the hair from your temple to the back of your part, and then completely section it off. And then repeat on the right side and join both your sections together at the back, and just use your fingers to gently smooth back your side sections. Now, before securing them together, I like to place a clip underneath. This really helps to prevent any hairs from underneath getting tangled and broken. Next, tightly secure your sections together just below your crown, pulling on the sides to gently tighten it. Awesome, now remove that clip and starting on the left, gather all that remaining hair at the side, making sure to leave some down at your neck like this, and then repeat on the right side. Once you have your sections, secure them together just below your previous elastic. All right, take all that remaining hair at your neckline, divide it into two, and bring your sections over the top of your ponytail, and then tightly secure them just below your previous elastic. Okay, now for the best part, time to transform the hairstyle. You want to begin pinching and pulling on the hair around your crown. This will add volume and texture, and if you're going for a more formal look, pull more casual, pull less. Next, move on to your first section and be sure to hold onto that top elastic with one hand to keep everything in place. Now, start in the sides, pulling just a bit, and then really focus most of your pinching and pulling near your elastic, and really reach in there and pull upwards. This creates the most beautiful detail. You'll really notice it as we move down the sections. So go ahead and repeat this on your next section, remembering to anchor that second elastic, and here you can really see all of that pretty detail and it creates that beautiful braided look. And then repeat one last time on your lower section, really focusing mostly near your elastic. All right, gather a small section of hair from the underside of your ponytail and tightly wrap it around your ponytail 2 times and secure it to the underside with a bobby pin. Now for a more voluminous ponytail, add some texture powder to the base and massage it in. And then I finished off the look with some hair oil to smooth any flyaways and add some shine. And there you have it, a beautiful braided ponytail, perfect for any occasion. Now, I would love to know where you're planning on wearing this hairstyle. For me, I'm about to head out for lunch, and I think this is perfect. But I really hope that you found today's video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will link some similar hair tutorials in the description for some more hair inspiration. But thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye!